Hello everyone. I am K. Kokilaveni, social teacher of Dhanlakshmi Higher Secondary School. I hope all are fine, hale and healthy. Today we are going to learn a lesson from 9th Standard History, Unit 1, Evolution of Humans and Society, Prehistoric Period. Learning objectives: to trace the world's early history, to understand human evolution. Introduction: the history of humans is intimately linked with the history of the earth. The earth originated around 4.54 billion years ago. The ancestors of human, called hominins, appeared about 5 to 7 million years ago. Although people gave divine explanations for the origins of humans, science believes in the theory of human evolution from the great apes. Before going into the lesson, first we need to understand the meaning of the word evolution. What is evolution? Evolution is nothing but gradual, directional change, especially one leading to a more advanced or complex form of growth or development. Charles Darwin's theory. Charles Darwin's theory on concepts of natural selection and survival of fittest contributed to the scientific understanding of human rights. He published the books on Origin of Species in 1859 and Descent of Man in 1871. Now, let us see a video on theory of evolution. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Human evolution and migration. Who are we? What is the name of our species? We are Homo sapiens. The chimpanzee, the gorillas, along with the humans are collectively called the great apes. Among them, chimpanzee is genetically the closest to humans. Do you know the DNA of a chimpanzee is 98% identical to that of a human being? Human evolution and migration. Human ancestors are divided into various species according to their physical features. 1. Hominid. It refers to all species of modern and extinct great apes, includes humans. 2. Hominins. It refers to close relatives of human ancestors and the Homo sapiens, the modern humans. 3. Homo habilis was the earliest known human ancestors to make tools in Africa about 2.6 million years ago. Prehistoric age generally is divided into 3 ages. Old Stone Age, also known as Paleolithic period. 2. Middle Stone Age. It is also known as Mesolithic period. 3. New Stone Age. It is also called Neolithic period. Old Stone Age or Paleolithic period. They made first productions of stone artifacts about 2.5 million years ago. They used primitive stone tools. Characteristic features. They were nomads who went from place to place in search of food. They mostly ate raw meat, wild berries, and roots. They lived in caves. They covered their bodies with leaves of trees and its bark. They used blunt stones for hunting. Now let us learn about Middle Stone Age or Mesolithic period. It is a period which falls between Paleolithic and Neolithic period. That is from 10,000 BCE to 8,000 BCE. Characteristic features. The people of this age lived on hunting, fishing, and food gathering. They also later domesticated animals. Fire was discovered in this age. They used small chipped stone tools called microliths. Now let us learn about New Stone Age or Neolithic period. The period called Neolithic marks the beginning of agriculture and animal domestication. It is an important phase in history. The characteristic features. The weapons were used of polished stones. It also involves in development of permanent dwellings. Characteristic features. Cultural advances such as pottery making, domestication of animals, cultivation of grains, etc. Do you know wheat, barley, and peas were cultivated around 10,000 years ago? Fruit and nuts trees were cultivated around 4000 BC. They comprised of olives, figs, dates, grapes, and pomegranates. I hope you understood the lesson. Now answer these questions connected to the lesson. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will all meet in next video. Until it is goodbye from K. Kokila, your social teacher. Bye. The end.